little explorers. Are you ready for a magical story? Let's step into the garden and discover the wonders within. It's going to be an amazing adventure. Today, we're going on an adventure to a beautiful garden. Let's use our imagination. Close your eyes and picture the most amazing garden you've ever seen. Can you see it? There are flowers of every color and trees that reach the sky. It's magical. This special garden is called Paradise. In this garden lived two very important people, Adam and Eve. They were the first man and woman ever created. Adam and Eve were very happy in paradise. They had everything they needed: delicious fruits, cool shade, and lots of space to play. They also had friendly animals to keep them company. Every day was a new adventure in paradise. But there was one rule they had to follow. Can you keep a secret? God told Adam and Eve they could eat from any tree in the garden, except for one special tree. It was a test to see if they would listen and make good choices. Would they follow the rule? Now, there was someone else in the garden too, a sneaky creature called the snake. The snake had a tricky plan. One day the snake said to Adam and Eve, "Hey, do you know why you're not allowed to eat from that special tree?" Adam and Eve shook their heads. They didn't know. The snake said, "If you eat from that tree, you'll become like angels and live forever." Wow! That sounded amazing to Adam and Eve. They thought, if we become angels, we'll be even closer to God. But remember, little ones, sometimes things that sound too good to be true can be a trick. Adam and Eve forgot about the rule and ate from the special tree. They thought they were doing something good, but they had broken their promise to God. Sometimes, even when we think we're doing something good, we might be making a mistake. That's why it's important to always listen carefully and think before we act. So what can we learn from Adam and Eve's adventure? Always listen carefully to instructions. Think before you act, even if something sounds really good. Keep your promises because they're very important. And remember, little explorers, even if we make mistakes, we can always learn from them and try to do better next time. Now let's think about our own lives. Can you remember a time when you had to make a choice between following a rule or doing something that sounded fun but wasn't allowed? It's not always easy to make the right choice, but when we do, it makes us stronger and wiser. Remember, every choice we make shapes our future. And that's the end of our magical story for today. Remember, you are all special and capable of making good choices. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being wonderful you. Until next time, stay curious and kind.